In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a limit buy and limit sell on Coinbase if you're looking to take more control over your cryptocurrency trades. This step-by-step walkthrough will guide you through the process of placing limit orders on Coinbase's advanced trade platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up Coinbase. If you're accustomed to using the simple trade view, you will need to switch to the advanced trade section. This is where you'll find more sophisticated trading options, including the ability to place limit orders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it's slightly more complex than the basic version, but offers greater flexibility in how you manage your trades. Next, you'll want to choose the trading pair you're interested in. A trading pair is simply the two currencies you're looking to trade, such as Bitcoin and the US dollar, represented as BTC/USD. Selecting the right trading pair is crucial as it dictates what assets you are buying and selling. Once you've chosen a trading pair, it's time to decide whether you want to buy or sell. This step is straightforward but foundational in setting the direction of your trade. Are you looking to purchase more of a particular cryptocurrency, or is it time to sell off some of what you already own to make a profit or balance your portfolio? Click on the appropriate option to proceed. You'll then see a choice for the type of order you wish to place. Since we're focusing on limit orders, make sure to select limit as your order type. Unlike market orders that execute immediately at the current price, limit orders allow you to specify the price at which you'd like to buy or sell, offering greater control over the trade conditions. Now it's time to enter the specifics of your order, the price and the amount you wish to trade. Be sure to carefully consider and input the price at which you want your order to execute. At this step, you set the terms that are preferable to you, which may include waiting for the market to meet your criteria. Similarly, decide how much of the currency you are looking to buy or sell and enter that amount. Before placing your order, it's vital to review the total cost and any associated fees. Coinbase will provide a breakdown of this information, allowing you to understand exactly what the transaction involves. Double checking this can prevent any surprises later on. When you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click Place Order. Whether you're buying or selling, this action will submit your order under the terms you've defined. Remember, a limit order will remain open until the specific price you set is reached, or until you choose to cancel it manually. This feature can be beneficial in volatile markets, or when you're strategic about entering or exiting positions. And that's it. You've successfully placed a limit order on Coinbase. Keep an eye on your open orders and market conditions to make informed decisions moving forward. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit each step as needed, and happy trading.